How to turn on and off flashlight notifications on iOS 16 in an easy step-by-step process. I am Lisa from Create Log and Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. Open your settings. Here we go. Scroll down. Go to the option Accessibility. Over here you can find different options. Scroll down. Under hearing, you can see this option of audio and visual. Open it. Now scroll down to the bottom. You can see the option of LED flash for alerts. Open it. Now here you can see three options as LED flash for alerts, flash while unlocked, and flash in silent mode. You have to turn on the first option so that you will get notification flashlights while you get notifications, and the second one option is you will get flash notifications while your phone is unlocked, and the third one is for the notification flashlight when your phone is in silent mode. You have just turned on these options. If you want to again turn off, then you just have to tap on this icon and it is turned off. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to turn on and off flashlight notifications on iOS 16. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.